New just listed home, 6580 Seminole Boulevard, Lot 633, Seminole, Florida, by Heather Harris from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on a spacious 720 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the living area features new vinyl flooring and fresh paint. Seamlessly connected, the kitchen shines with new white shaker cabinetry and modern appliances. The layout includes a primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms. These are served by 2 fully renovated bathrooms. The exterior lifestyle is the highlight, featuring covered parking and a fenced pet area just minutes from the beach. Contact us and make it yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.